Welcome back friends. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 219 contains duplicate 2. Before we start looking the details into this problem, I just want to mention that I often create LeetCode solution videos in Java and Java J2E related interview helpful videos. I also have already created playlists for LeetCode solutions as well as important Java interview questions as well as DFS, BFS, binary search tree as well as dynamic programming. So those playlists is already available to my channel. So please subscribe. It has a lot of good materials. So please subscribe. So let's look into this problem now. So given an integer array nums and an integer k, return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums of I is equal to nums of j and absolute of I minus j is less than equal to k. So this is the problem statement. So they have given few examples here. So let's take one example over here and we will discuss. So this is the array that's given to us, and these are the indices, right, of the array. So this is 0 to 6. So what we are going to do to solve this problem is we have to find out if there are any duplicate elements with the distance equal to less than or equal to k. So k is equal to 2 here. For example, if you see this one and this one, so distance will be 2 minus 0 is 2, so we can return true here, right? So how we will be implementing the solution is we are going to use a hash map of integer and list of integer as the value, right? So let's iterate through the array and let's populate the hash map first. So then I can explain how we can like implement this solution. So let's say this is our hash map. So this is key value pair. So first element we will look is 1. So is it's not there in the map, so we will put 1 here and we will put a list of the indices, right? So 0 is the indices for 1. So now we are at 2, right? We are here at 2. So 2 also we will create a entry into our hash map. The index will be 1 here, right, for 2. So that is our list. So next element comes is 1 here. So 1 we already have a list, so we will enter the index here as 2 because 2 is the index. Now the next entry is 3, so we will make an entry because it's not available here. So the index for 3 is 3 here, so we will just add a 3 index. And next is 1 again. So 1 is index is 4, so we will add a 4 here into our list. And next is 2, so for 2 we will add a 5 here into our list. And the next is 3 and we will add 6 into our list here, right? So this is the way we already form a hash map by traversing the array. Now what we will be doing is we will iterate this hash map and we will only look into the entries which are having the list size should be greater than or equal to 2, right? Greater than or equal to 2. And why it is greater than or equal to 2? Because we are finding a duplicate entry size, right? So duplicate entries will only happen if it is greater than or equal to 2, right, the list size. That's why. So we will take, let's say first we are looking at 1, so we are looking into this list, so we will just iterate this list and we will find the distance between these all these elements, right? So first we will find distance between 0 and 2. So 0 and 2 means 2 minus 0, absolute distance is 2, so it is 2 is less than or equal to 2, right? So 2 is less than equal to 2, which is our k. So we are going to return true as soon as we find the distance is less than equal to k, then we will return true. So if we iterate the whole hash map and we never find any entry which is less than equal to 2, then we will return false in that case. So this is the implementation that we are going to do. So let me show you the implementation here. So first we are creating a map of integer and list of integer here, and here we are iterating the array nums, and we are populating the map entries, right? So we are, whenever there is no entry, we will create a brand new list and we will add the index and we will put that entry into map, right? The number and the list. If list is already there, then we will just add the index into the list and again we will put the entry, that list, back into the map, right? So once this for loop is done, then our map is ready to use. Then we will just iterate this map here and we will get the list, and whenever list dot size is greater than or equal to 2, means there are some duplicate element present there, then we will iterate through this list and we will check the I plus 1 and ith entry we will check in the list, right? And if it is the distance between that I plus 1 and I, if it is less than equal to k here, then we will just return true basically. Then we already found the condition that we are looking for. This is the condition, right? Otherwise at the end we will return false. So let's take the examples that they have given us here and make sure our code runs fine. So I just printed this map to show you how the map look like. So for example, if you look at the first example, the map will say 1 and it will print the indices, right? 0 and 3 is it printed 0 and 3, and for 2 it printed 1. Here 2 is 1 and 3 is 2, right? So that's how the map will create the list, and then we will look into the list, how much distance we find between the corresponding elements, right? So that's what we are doing. So um, so let's just remove that system.out statement, because that is only to show you how the map looks like internally. So now we will just submit our solution. So our code got accepted by LeetCode. So this is the way you can solve the problem contains duplicate 2. So you can just like solve it with the help of a map, and then you can just traverse this corresponding list to check if you find, like, if we find any kind of a distance which is less than or equal to k in within the list elements, right? So I'll put this code into GitHub account, you can check it there. So as I said, I often create LeetCode solutions, Java solutions, and Java J2E interview helpful material videos. So please subscribe to the channel. You will get a lot of good videos here. Thanks for watching.